In this video, we will learn how to solve two-step equations. We did in the previous video the one-step equation. What do I mean by two-step? It means that I have to get rid of two numbers to separate or isolate the variable. I have 2 multiplied by x and then add 5 equals 27. So I have to get rid of these numbers beside the x. I will follow the opposite of the order of operation. In the order of operation, you multiply and divide first, then I add or subtract. To solve the equation, I will use the opposite strategy, which is getting rid of the added or subtracted number first. Here I have 2x. 2x means this is multiplication between the number and the variable, and added 5. So I will have to get rid of the added number first by performing the opposite operation, which means I will have to subtract 5 from the left-hand side and subtract 5 from the right-hand side. Remember, the equation is like a balance, and when you perform any operation on one side of the equation, you have to do the same on the other side. I subtracted 5 from the left-hand side, so I have to subtract 5 from the right-hand side to keep it balanced. When you subtract 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 will be 0. So the left-hand side, you will have only 2x. And the right-hand side, 27 minus 5 equals to 22. Now, it became a one-step equation because here I need only to get rid of this 2 that is multiplied by x. I will also perform the opposite operation. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I have to divide by 2 the left-hand side, divide by 2 the right-hand side. This slash means division. I will divide by which number? Of course, by 2, because I want to get rid of the 2. I want to isolate the x by itself. So when you divide by 2, 2 divided by 2, like simplifying, divide by 2, the numerator and the denominator, you will get 1. 1x means only x. And the right-hand side, you divide 22 by 2 equals 11. So my answer, x equals to 11. Now, as we said before, I want to check my answers. So I will go back to my original equation and substitute the x by 11 and check if the left-hand side will give you 27. So it means my answer is correct. So I will go to my equation and take the left-hand side and replace the x by 11. It will be 2 times 11 plus 5. Then I will multiply first 2 times 11. 22 plus 5. 22 plus 5 will be 27. So that is the right-hand side. Actually, it means now I'm sure that my answer is correct. Okay, let's do another example. Okay, it's the same, but a lot of negative numbers, but you will do the same strategy. Here I have negative 6 added to p over 4 equals to negative 5. I want to get rid of the negative 6 that's added to the p and or p over 4 and the divided 4 here. Okay, so first, as we said, I will get rid of the added or subtracted number. So I want to get rid of the negative 6. Take care, it's tricky a little bit because negative 6, to get rid of the negative 6, I want it to be 0. So I will have to add 6 to the left-hand side and add 6 to the right-hand side. Negative 6 plus 6 on the left-hand side will be 0. So I will have only p over 4 left on the left-hand side, and the right-hand side, it's negative 5 plus 6, that will be 1. Why it's 1? Because actually when I am adding negative number to a positive number, you subtract the two numbers and you add the sign for the bigger absolute value. The bigger absolute value is 6. When you neglect the signs, 6 is bigger. The sign of the 6 is positive, so the 1 will be positive. Then I will take this, I will continue my equation. I want to get rid of it's p over 4 or p divided by 4 equals 1. I want to get rid of the divided number, so I will have to use the opposite operation, which is multiplying by 4 the two sides. I multiplied by 4 because this 4 in the numerator and this 4 in the denominator. Like simplifying, you can simplify the 4 and the 4. It will be 1p. So p only will be equals to 1 times 4 equals 4. And now p will be equals to 4. That's my answer. If I want to check my answer, I will go to the original equation and replace p by 4 as well. 4 over 4 will be 1. When you add the 1 to the negative 6, you will get negative 5. So my answer is correct. Now I check my answer and I know that my answer is correct. Now you can practice here for more examples and check your understanding.